Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the awesome realm of modern TV wall design. Why does it matter? Well, imagine your living room as a canvas and the TV wall is the masterpiece. A well designed TV wall does not just hold your screen, it transforms the whole vibe of your space, making it look super cool. Now, the best part is the idea we are sharing our like design magic anyone can pull off. We are keeping it simple and easy, no design degree required. It is all about making your space look fantastic without any fuss. Stick around and let's turn your TV wall into a work of art that suit everyone's style. Create a sleek and elegant TV wall by keeping things clean and minimalistic. Use natural color like white and grays to achieve a modern and stylish vibe. Imagine a clutter-free space that feels calm and inviting. To add a touch of sophistication, consider floating shelves. These shelves not only keep your space tidy but also provide a minimalistic platform for displaying, decorating items. Picture a TV wall where simplicity meets sophistication with a nude colors, plates and floating shelves enhancing the overall aesthetic. It is an easy and effective way to transform your living space into a modern haven that everyone can enjoy. Imagine transforming your living space into a nature retreat with a nature inspired TV wall. Start by using textured wood panels or wallpapers around with natural motifs to create a cozy, earthy atmosphere. The tactile feel of the wood and the claiming patterns on the wallpaper bringing the outdoors inside. To enhance this natural theme design, consider adding indoor plants or artworks featuring elements from the great outdoors. The greenery and nature inspired decor not only beautiful your TV wall but also create a refreshing and serene ambience in your home. It is a simple way to infuse a touch of nature into your living room, making it a welcoming haven for relaxation and enjoyment. Transform your TV wall into a captivating multimedia gallery. Mix and match frames of different sizes for a lovely and dynamic appearance. Don't hesitate to infuse your personality, add personal photos and artworks to create a unique touch. To enhance functionality, consider including a small shelf for your multimedia devices, keeping everything organized and within reach. This approach not only turns your TV into a focal point but also transforms the entire room into a personalized space filled with memories and creativity. So grab these frames, pick your favorite snapshots, and let your TV wall tell your story in a visual, appealing way. Discover the cool trends of adding geometric shapes to your TV wall. Start by using wall decals of painted shapes for a fun and modern vibe. Imagine square triangle that catch your eyes. Show how arranging these shapes creating a exciting patterns around your TV. Keep it easy on the eyes by picking colors that go well together. Think about a cohesive colors patterns like blues, grays or soft pastel for a harmonized and stylish look. This simple trick not only adds a touch of creativity but also bring a sense of order to your living space. So let your imagine Run wild with geometric design and transform your TV wall into a trendy focal point. Create a practical and stylish TV wall by incorporating storage solution. Showcase bullet-in cabinet or wall-mounted units that not only look good but also provide a space to neatly store things. These storage options help keep your living area organized and clutter-free. Emphasize the importance of hiding cables to maintain a clean and tidy appearance. Consoling cables not only improve the overall look on your TV wall but also prevent any tripping hazards. This simple addition ensure a sleek and organized setup, making your living space both functional and aesthetically. So when designing your TV wall, think about smart storage solution to enhance both the style and practically of your living room. So if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiration.